Okay, so we have Schluter All Set. Very, very aggressive thin set. It's been sitting inside the liner for 2 weeks now. Well, here it is. I have finally pulled the trigger and purchased a Beast Mixer liner. So this is not a sponsored video. This was not given to me for free. I bought this with my own money. And this is one of those tools that you hold off for a long time, and then once you finally pull the trigger and use it, you wonder why you waited so long. It is amazing. It saves time, saves money, and saves waste. And rather than talking about it, let's just show you this in action on a daily basis, remodeling showers and bathrooms. Here we go. And yes, here it is, folks. It's been a long time coming. Been wanting to use this Beast bucket liner out. I mean, buckets right now are $6 a pop. Rather than having to scrape out and clean a bucket every single day, you simply let it set up and dump it out every single day. So you save time, you save the environment, you save on materials, you save on cost. This Beast bucket liner is a no-brainer. Let's try it out. Fits like a glove. Well, here we are the next day. Rather than wasting buckets at the end of each week is usually what we do. We use a bucket for about a week at the end of the week, Thursday or Friday. We usually let it set up like this and just use it for a trash bucket and dispose of it. But rather than wasting plastic, wasting money, $6 bucket, we've got the liner here. Let's show you how to remove the liner. Apparently you just pull this off. It's our first time you pull it off. And this should slide right out. Here we go. Looks like it's already broken up. Here we go. I will I just dump it right here on this plastic. There you go, guys. Yeah, that is really easy. Really easy cleanup. A quick wipe down at the end of the day. You let your thin set just sit in there, and there you have it. Quick and easy cleanup. We save our bucket, we save our money, we save our time. This Beast bucket mixer is a no-brainer. All right, here's some more All Set. Didn't quite scrape it all the way around, but it looks like this liner, everything just crumbles and peels right away. Crumbles and peels right off. And there you have it. Okay, this one has been sitting over the weekend. Schluter All Set. Breaks up real easy. Okay, so we have Schluter All Set. Very, very aggressive thin set. It's been sitting inside the liner for 2 weeks now. Did no cleaning on the liner here, the edges. Did not wipe it down. So let's see how easily this comes out and how we can clean up all of the sides here. So it's stuck in there pretty darn good. There we go. There we are. Let's see if we can wipe this down with water. If that doesn't work, we'll soak it in some water and sulfamic acid. 2 weeks. All set. All right. A little bit of water and a sponge. Looks like it comes off pretty easily. So it would be good to simply wash this out with a sponge and water before you let it all set up down there. But if for some reason you do not, it's still fairly easy to clean. Look it, as you can see there. And if you really want to make it look new again, simply fill this up with water, add a little bit of sulfamic acid, let it sit for 24 hours, and then it'll look brand new. And there you go. Make your beast mixer new again with a little bit of sulfamic acid and water. Amazing product for tile installation. Highly recommended. Saves time, saves waste, saves money. As usual, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to tap that bell icon down there for future tile tool videos. I'll see you on the next one.